A total of 82 persons who entered Guyana through the local airports and other ports of entry in the last 2 years were tested positive for COVID-19. This was disclosed by Minister of Health Dr. Frank Anthony during his COVID-19 update on Wednesday.
And there are cases like that. Somebody might have tested negative, but when they came in subsequently, they display the symptoms of COVID-19. So you have cases like that. However, when we discover them, we would advise them to isolate and to monitor and to do all the things that we are recommending.
The existing protocols at the ports of entry mandate each passenger to present their vaccination cards and a negative polymerase chain reaction test result.
First of all, vaccines are available for persons 12 years and older. So for those persons where we have been administering vaccine, we require that upon entry that people should present the vaccination card to show that they were vaccinated. In addition to that, we require that persons coming into Guyana should have an antigen test or a PCR test, and that the validity of the test should be within a 72-hour period.
In the last 24 hours, 138 new cases were recorded. 1,087 persons currently have the virus.
We also have 29 persons in hospital, and of the 29 persons, we have 15 persons who are now from the Ocean View Hospital, with one of them in the ICU.
The Ministry of Health will begin disseminating COVID-19 vaccines to children ages 5 to 11 on Saturday.
We'll do a drive-through at the Cultural Center Tarmac, and hopefully we'll get persons to come there and get their vaccines. We want to encourage the parents to bring their child or their guardians to come and bring their children, and you will have to make sure you give consent before we can do the vaccination. These vaccines are specially formulated for children.
To date, 442,682 or 86.3% of adults in Guyana have received the first dose of the COVID-19 vaccines, while 342,332 or 66.7% have been administered both jabs. Temika Rodney reporting for the HGP Nightly News.